Welcome back to the chapter Heights and Distances for Standard 10. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. So first, let the plane be at this point. So the height, let us draw the height here, and from here you are observing the plane and it is at a point angle of 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. So the plane from here, it has moved to, and here we are assuming that it is going on a horizontal line. So the plane is now here. And now the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. Now the height of the it is flying at a constant height of 3600 root 3 meters. So the height is root 3600 root 3 meters. So this A, let this be A, B, C and D. So here also it is flying at the same height, and at the point C also it is flying at the same height. Now we have to find the speed of the jet plane. So to find the speed is equal to distance by time. So we know from here to here it has taken 30 seconds. Now we have to find the distance AC, then we can find the speed, distance by time. So here we will take at a triangle ABO. In triangle ABO, tan 60 is equal to AB by OB. So tan 60 is root 3. So this is root 3 is equal to AB is 3600 root 3 by OB. So OB is equal to you get 3600 meters. That is this distance. Cross multiplying, get this. Now take the triangle CDO. This tan 30 is equal to CD by again OD. So tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. CD again it is 3600 root 3 meters divided by OD, we do not know. So from this we get OD is equal to 3600 into root 3 into root 3. So this becomes 3. So 3600 into 3 will become 10,800 meters. So now we have to find the distance AC, or it is equal to distance BD. So BD is equal to OD minus OB. So OD is 10,800 minus 3,600. So it is 7,200 meters. Now we have got the distance AC. So AC is also equal to BD, 7,200 meters. Now we have to find the speed. So speed is equal to distance by time. Now the distance is 7,200 200 meters and the time is 30 seconds. So this is equal to 240 meters per second. You can leave it like this, or you can convert it into kilometers per hour also. To convert to kilometers per hour, you have to multiply, to convert the meter to kilometer, you have to divide by 1000. Now to convert the seconds to per hour, now we have to divide, here it is here, divide by 60, so it comes to the numerator 60 into 60. So finally you will get the answer as 864 kilometers per hour. So generally the speed of the plane, we express it in kilometers per hour. So it's better you convert meters per second to kilometers per hour. This is also a similar problem to the previous one. There it was angle of elevation, now it is angle of depression. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. So we'll draw the tower first. So this is the tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. So from here he is watching a car here which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. So from here first, so we will draw a parallel line to the ground. So from here he is watching. So this angle is 30 degrees. So the car is at this point. So AB is at P. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. So from here, the car has reached at this point Q. The time taken to travel from P to Q is 6 seconds and the angle of depression is 60 degrees. Now here this will be 30 and this will be 60. Time taken to travel distance PQ is equal to 6 seconds. Now we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. So time taken to travel distance QA is what we have to now find. And now we'll start with this. In triangle BAP, triangle BAP, tan 30 is equal to AB by AP. Now we have this from here to here, the time taken as 6 seconds is given. So speed is equal to distance by time. So the distance is equal to speed into, so distance is equal to speed into time. Yeah. So we will write, so tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. AB is equal to the height of the tower. We do not know the height, so AB by, so the distance PQ will be S into T, and from QA, so we'll write it down here. So PQ is equal to, so the time taken is 6 seconds, the speed is S, so S into 6. And here AQ, it will be, we do not know the time, so S into T. So T is the time taken, T, time taken to travel AQ, then S is the speed. So we will write this as, now we got PQ and AQ, so AB by AP, so this is equal to AB by AP, we will write it as, okay, PQ plus AQ, so that is equal to AB by PQ, can 6S plus ST. Now tan 60 is equal to, in triangle BAQ, tan 60 is equal to AB by AQ so tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB by AQ is ST. So from this 1 and 2, here AB is equal to 6S plus ST by root 3. So equating, you will get 6S plus ST by root 3 is equal to root 3 ST. So cross multiplying, you get 3 ST. So this ST will come here. So we will get 3 minus 2 is 1. So 6S is equal to 2 ST. So S and, wait, 6S. 6S is equal to 2 ST. S and S will get cancelled. Therefore time is equal to, you will get time is equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. So this is in seconds. So this is also in seconds. Now the time taken, now we can find the time taken from Q to A. Time taken, time taken is, yeah, we got this time taken to reach A from Q is 3 seconds, because T is the time taken from A to travel AQ. So we are simply converting the speed is equal to distance by time. Distance, this is S into 6 and here it is S into T. And the remaining are similar to the earlier problems. And this is also a similar problem. A girl 1.2 meters tall spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meters. So the height of this QM dash, that is 88.2 meters. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at an instant is 60 degrees. So now this angle is 60 degrees. So this is so now we have to consider the height of the girl also, because the height of the girl is given, this is 1.6. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees. So from here the angle of elevation is reducing, so this angle is 30 degrees. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Now we have to find this distance. That is distance PQ. OO dash is equal to 1.2 meters. Now we have to find PQ. So again we'll start with the same procedure. Tan 60 is equal to PL by OL. So in triangle PLO, tan 60 is equal to PL by OL. So tan 60 is root 3 so the full length is, the total height QM dash is 88.2 and the girl is, this is 1.2, so this will be 87. So QM is 87. So we need PL will be 87 now. 87 by OL. So OL is equal to 87 by root 3. This is the first equation. So in triangle, now QMO, tan 30 is equal to, again QM by OM. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 by OM. OM is, okay, OM. So OM is, so this is 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 by, OM can be written as OL plus LM. Tan 30 is OQ by, MQ by OM. OM is OL plus LM. Okay. So now we have OL is equal to 87. We'll cross multiply first and then substitute it. So OL plus LM is equal to 87 root 3. So OL is equal to 87 by root 3 plus LM is equal to 87 root 3. So LM root 3 is equal to 87 root 3 into root 3 minus 87. So this is 3 minus 1, 2. So 87 into 2. So LM is equal to 174 by root 3. So PQ is equal to, so PQ and LM are same. So PQ is equal to PQ equal to LM is equal to, so this can, you can rationalize this. So 174 root 3 by 3. So this will become 58 root 3. Root 3 meters. The value of root 3 as 1.73 is given, then you can multiply and put. Otherwise, if you leave this also, it is fine. So the length, the distance travelled is PQ is 58 root 3. Welcome back to the chapter Quadratic Equations for Standard 10. Now we are going to solve this method, solve the quadratic equation using the method of completing the squares. So this another equation is 9x squared minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we have certain steps. So if you follow that step, it is very easy to do this problem. The first step is we have to make the coefficient of x squared as 1. So for that we have to divide throughout by 9. So x squared minus 15 by 9x plus 6 by 9 equal to 0. So dividing throughout by 9. So this will become 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3 equal to 0. And next is we have to bring the constant to the right side. So this x squared minus 5 by 3x equal to minus 2 by 3. So shift the constant to right hand side. Now the next step is adding you have this coefficient of x and then square it. So here the coefficient of x is 5 by 3 divided by 2 is 5 by 6, then square it. Divide the coefficient of x by 2 and then square it. So 5 by 6, so the squaring it will be 25 by 36. So you add it and add on both sides. So x squared minus 5 by 3x plus here it will be 25 by 36 is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 25 by 36. So this will become, this is actually x minus 5 by 6 the whole squared. If you expand it and see it is x squared, then 25 by 36, now 2 into x into 5 by 6. So it will become 5 by 3x. So this is equal to, now simplifying this, minus 24 plus 25, so 1 by 36. So x minus 5 by 6 is equal to plus or minus root of 1 by 36, that is equal to plus or minus 1 by 6. Now x minus 5 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. From this you will get x is equal to 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6 equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. X minus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 6. So x is equal to 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. So the roots of x are 1 and 2 by 3. So just follow these steps, then you can, it is very easy to get the answer. First you have to make the coefficient of x squared as 1. So divide the coefficient of x squared throughout, then shift the constant to the right hand side, then divide the coefficient of x by 2 and then square it, and then add that number on both sides. So this you will get it as a perfect square. Like if suppose this was x squared plus 5 by 3x, then you have to write this as x plus 5 by 6 the whole square, and the remaining things are same. Now once you get come here, you get plus or minus 1 by root 6. So you should equate x minus 5 by 6 to 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6 separately. You will get 2 roots. Now show that the equation 4x squared plus 3x plus 5 has no real roots. So again we will use the same method. So x squared, so 4x squared plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So I will divide throughout by 4 and also shift the constant also to the right hand side. So x squared plus 3 by 4x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Then divide the coefficient of x by 2. So it becomes 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 the whole squared. So it will become x squared plus 3 by 4x plus 3 by 8 the whole squared is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 9 by 64. So this will become x plus 3 by 8 the whole squared is equal to 64 . So you will get this as 71 by 64. So x plus 3 by 8 is equal to get this as minus 71 by 64. So x plus 3 by 8 is equal to plus or minus root of minus 71 by 64. So square root of a negative number, it becomes a complex number. So it does not have real roots. Therefore, the equation has no real roots. So here this is the equation. Now we'll solve it again by the method of completing of squares. So first we'll make this coefficient of x squared as 1. So minus 3abx by a squared. I will also shift this to the right hand side. So 2b squared by a squared. So now this will become 3. So this is 3b by ax is equal to 2b squared minus 2b squared by a squared. Now half of this, it will become 3b. So 3b by 2a, square it. So it becomes 9b squared by 4a squared. So x squared minus 3b by ax plus 3b by 2a the whole squared is equal to minus 2b squared by a squared plus 9b squared by 4a squared. So this will become x minus, this is minus, so x minus 3b by 2a the whole squared is equal to, taking the LCM 4a squared, so minus 8b squared plus 9b squared, so b squared by 4a squared. So x minus 3b by 2a is equal to square root of plus or minus b squared by 4a squared. So that is equal to plus or minus b by 2a. Now x minus 3b by 2a is equal to b by 2a. So you will get x is equal to b by 2a plus 3b by 2a. So it will become 4b by 2a, that is equal to 2b by a. Now equating x minus 3b by 2a is equal to minus b by 2a. Get it as x is equal to minus 3b by 2a minus b by 2a. So 2b by 2a is b by a. So the values are 2b by a and b by